Here we have a 2018 BMW 530d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the white exterior paintwork, the BMW adaptive LED headlights. We have the two black kidney grills as well. The M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter, the side skirts and the rear diffuser. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the glass sunroof, which is currently on a tilt. We also have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler lip as well. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the dual exhaust, the rear diffuser and a power assisted tailgate, which will open with a simple press of a button, as you can see. So inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. We also have a storage net just there on the left hand side. If we come back up here and press this button, as you can see it closes just like so. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look now at the interior, coming into the back first you'll find the full leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points just down there as well. In the centre you'll find the vents for the rear passengers. We also have some storage space and a 12-volt connectivity. We have the ambient lighting as well on the doors, which you may have just noticed. Brush metal handles as well. We have the electric windows as well. Coming into the front you'll find the same full leather interior, however both of these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable. The driver's side has the memory function just on the door there as well. Electric windows with trellis for the rear. We also have the electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just there, a heated multifunctional steering wheel as well. We have the digital dashboard, the main infotainment screen in the centre, has the lights of the sat nav. We have the DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.